So we're going to say hello. This is the beginning of September. We're at Oyster Bay Yacht Club, which is a private yacht club. I'm going to show you a 1989 40 Hunter. This gentleman's had this boat for some time. It's got a pretty nice layout. It's the Hunter Legend series. Dinghy on the back. So we're going to make a long video of the complete boat here, and we'll have a short video, and I'll try to go slow. So if you go to the main listing at www.redmondyachts.com, then you can see all the specifics. There's a diver here that comes once a month, I believe. This gentleman is he's going to go to a power boat. That's what he said. That's his next purchase. So this boat needs some work. It's a solid boat. He did spend quite a bit of money. He put a brand new Yanmar engine in it back in 2015 by authorized Yanmar dealer, and it's got about 500 hours on it. So it's got a great drivetrain. So we're going to climb aboard. Walk around the top deck. I'll take my time. It's got the nice solar fans to keep the inside from mildewing. Big anchor locker up here. Nice Bimini to be out of the weather. Radar up there. I'm going to step inside. Storage. This is the cover that goes over the steering wheel. Autopilot. He's got a Garmin that goes there. A little storage underneath these seats. This one needs one of the slats replaced. This goes to the hatch there. So we're going to enter. Just give me a little walk around here. A lot of storage. The Hunter just had the shells that open down. Storage, this all needs to be oiled. This is the front berth. Not sure if you can see. A lot of storage in here. Let's see if my phone can turn the flashlight on here. Hey Siri, turn flashlight on. Okay. That's how you get to the, you can see it's had a little bit of water damage on there, but That's how you get to your anchor locker. That table comes out, makes a full table. Nice bench seat storage. I'm going to go through here. This is your control center. Got your radar, inside radar, oh, navigation, oh, can't really use that anymore there. Autopilot. Let's get your second head here. Should have 2 doors for that. You can shut the main area down. So that's where you pulled up. Pull pretty wood that was there. You can see on the side. A lot of storage. Your air conditioning vent back there. That's how you get to the engine. The engine was replaced in 2015. It's a nice Yanmar. Can't really see much from that area. Put the flashlight up. So if you're looking for a solid boat that needs some TLC, mostly some cosmetic work, as in some inside woodwork, some upholstery, a few of the items it's probably time to replace. Solid boat, but it does look like it's got a great engine. Nice galley, plenty of room to get around. Got a big cooler there. So if you go to the website www.redmanyachts.com, and you can see the complete listing. So we're gonna sign off, and then just call us with any questions and showing instructions.